Foreign Minister of the Republic of Turkey, to deliver a statement. He will speak on behalf of the Asia Group of the OIC member states.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Prime Minister, Secretary General, colleagues, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me also thank our Pakistani and Saudi brothers for organizing this meeting, this very timely meeting. We are pleased to have Secretary General Brother Taha for his first Council of Foreign Ministers. Quran al-Karim tells us that this community of yours is one single ummah. Solidarity with our Afghan brothers and sisters is a moral obligation and a religious duty. Nearly 23 million people, 60% of the population, are facing hunger in Afghanistan. The OIC should play a leading role in mobilizing the international support for Afghanistan. The resolution that we will adopt today should be implemented. First, we should coordinate humanitarian assistance. Let me also thank Pakistan for facilitating the transfer of humanitarian aid. We also support Uzbekistan's effort to make Termes another UN hub for aid, especially to the northern regions. The establishment of a trust fund by the Islamic Development Bank is a step in the right direction. Second, the collapse of the economy must be prevented. Continuing sanctions unfortunately cripple the financial system. Pledge will be meaningless unless this money reaches the Afghans. We should work on solutions to unlock financial channels for resolving liquidity and bank transfer problems. Third, humanitarian and economic crisis increase migratory pressure and the burden on neighboring countries. OIC should work with other international organizations like UNHCR and IOM to support displaced persons. Fourth, engagement. Working with Taliban is necessary to achieve stability. As brothers, we continue to advise the acting government to be inclusive, protect the rights of all, and expand access of women and girls to employment and education. We welcome the positive statements and steps to this end. This will increase the legitimacy and strength of the government both inside and outside of the country. Dear sisters and brothers, the worsening crisis has a great impact on the Muslim nations of Asia. We welcome the active engagement of Asian nations, including Pakistan, Iran, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Indonesia, and Malaysia, with the Afghanistan issue. We should do more and play a flagship role as the Islamic community. By organizing a joint visit of OIC foreign ministers to Kabul, we can show solidarity with our Afghan brothers and sisters and give our messages directly and take the lead as Islamic nations. Before concluding, I want to highlight our determination and support to achieve an independent Palestine with Al-Quds al-Sharif as is its capital. Dear brothers and sisters, our Afghan sisters and brothers deserve a better future, and we must take action now. Assalamu alaikum.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।